Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a diversified portfolio with Charles Schwab detailed guide step by step clearly. Creating a diversified portfolio with Charles Schwab is a straightforward process. Start by visiting the Charles Schwab website and logging into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by following the site's prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the Investing tab in the top menu. Select Portfolio from the drop-down options. This section provides an overview of your current investments and performance. To begin diversifying, click on the Research tab. Here, you can explore various asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Consider your investment goals and risk tolerance to guide your choices. Review available funds that align with your strategy for diversification. Look for options such as index funds or ETFs that span multiple sectors. Utilize the filters to narrow down your choices based on expense ratios and performance history. Once you've identified suitable investments, click Trade to proceed. Input the amount you wish to invest in each selected asset. Diversifying means not putting all your money into one investment, so consider spreading your investments across various categories. After reviewing your selections, confirm your trade. Monitor your portfolio regularly by returning to the Portfolio section. Evaluate its performance and make adjustments as needed to maintain balance. Consider setting up automatic contributions to keep growing your investments. Stay informed on market trends to help manage your portfolio effectively. Utilize Charles Schwab's educational resources for additional insights and tips. Following these steps will help you build a diversified portfolio aligned with your financial goals. With careful planning and regular updates, you can enhance your investment strategy over time. Remember, diversification does not guarantee a profit or protect against loss but can help reduce risk. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.